OSCE learning successful. Set daily goals for studying. Ask yourself what you hope to accomplish in the course each day. Setting a clear goal can help you stay motivated and beat procrastination. The goal should be specific and easy to measure, such as, I'll watch all the videos in Module 2 and complete the first assignment. And don't forget to reward yourself when you make progress towards your goal. Create a dedicated study space. It's easier to recall information if you're in the same place where you first learned it. So having a dedicated space at home to take online courses can make your learning more effective. Remove any distractions from the space and if possible, make it separate from your bed or sofa. A clear distinction between where you study and where you take breaks can help you focus. Schedule time to study on your calendar. Open your calendar and choose a predictable, reliable time that you can dedicate to watching lectures and completing assignments. This helps ensure that your courses won't be the last thing on your to-do list. Keep yourself accountable. Tell your friends about the course you're taking. Post your achievements on social media accounts or blog about your homework assignments. Having a community and support network of friends and family to cheer you on makes a difference, a positive difference. Actively take notes. Taking notes can promote active thinking, boost comprehension, and extend your attention span. It's a good strategy to internalize knowledge whether you're learning online or in the classroom. So, grab a notebook. Join the discussion. Course discussion forums are a great place to ask questions about assignments, discuss topics, share resources, and make friends. Our research shows that learners who participate in the discussion forum have a higher chance of being successful. Online classes may sometimes make you feel like you're learning on your own, but this couldn't be further from the truth. OSCE online courses are built around the concept of collaboration, with our trainers and teachers actively encouraging discussions. Build relationships with other students, with nurses, by introducing yourself and engaging in online discussion boards. Your peers can be a valuable resource when preparing for exam or asking for feedback on assignments. Do one thing at a time. Multitasking is less productive than focusing on a single task at a time. Researchers from Stanford University found that people who are regularly bombarded with several streams of electronic information cannot pay attention, recall information, or switch from one job to another, as well as those who complete one task at one time. Stay focused on one thing at one time. You'll absorb more information and complete assignments with greater productivity and ease than if you were trying to do many things at once. Take breaks. Resting your brain after learning is critical to high performance. If you find yourself working on a task without much progress for a long time, take a break. Walk outside, take a shower, talk to a friend. All of these things can re-energize you and give you new ideas and perspective on how to tackle those tasks.